You are doing 50k a month, 100k a month, or even more with your online brand, but your emails are just sitting at 5 to 20% revenue per month? Then I need to tell you that's like owning a Lamborghini but never shifting out of the first gear. But let me tell you something, your email marketing isn't broken, it's just not existing. Or maybe even worse, you're stuck at 2019 and your weekly email campaigns to send out is just a text block with a 20% open rate. Meanwhile, ad costs are rising, like the rent in my apartment, and you praying for CBN under $20. But the money is not in more ads, it's in a website visitor you already have. And that's exactly where we, Inbox Mafia, step in. We take over your entire email and SMS marketing. Strategy, copy, design, A/B testing, segmentation, all done for you. You sit back, we print your cash. My last client, 338% revenue increase in just 28 days. Another one, doubled his email revenue in just 1 month. And that's all without touching ad spend. Just clean and punchy emails and all that while you sleep or focus on the real thing. Brand growth. You book a free audio call, we check your Klaviyo account, and by the way, we give you on top 2 free email campaigns, and then we show you where you're leaking, like woman when DiCaprio enters the room, right? So if you're doing 50 to 500k a month and your email is still a side hustle, we will make it your biggest profit center. So just click the first link below and we make your inbox into a mafia. So for everybody who is still here and still not convinced, here's our latest case study, okay? Case study number 45. We nearly 5x their email revenue in just 28 days, okay? Usually I wouldn't onboard clients like this because what I told you before, 50k minimum, that's what we work with. But this client told me, okay, we wanna scale next month to double our revenue and next month double again. And you clearly can see they did what they said. So I can work with that one. I make them a great deal, we accept it, and here you see that was 1k to 4.5k in just 28 days. You can see here is, when we zoom in, 1st February to 28 and then 1st of March to March 28, so 28 days. And we not even did optimize the campaigns. You can see here, that's just the flows. Wait until the campaigns also hit in. Then we will go to probably like 30-35%. We will see. Okay, so background, I just told you they was coming to me because I shared so much value on X. You definitely should also check that out on X. That's my account. I'm daily sharing a lot of content, a lot of stuff, how you can do. Also, I shared a free 63-page guide how to do email marketing by yourself if you want to do it alone. So the email channel completely was underperforming. As you can see, it was like 10%. They just make 1k with email. The email campaign was mostly doing like zero money. List growth was also very, very low. They had just some automation and wrong flow triggers. A lot of brands have this one. So I was hyped up because I knew, okay, I can easily help them and they will love me. They were a little bit skeptic in the beginning because they wasn't sure about the investment, if it's worth it or not. And they told me, like I told them, usually I don't take only 50k plus brands. And then like blah, 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 okay, we wanted to scale. So we make a deal, 28 days later, we crushed it. Here are the email designs. The first one, here are the comments. Love it, really like the idea of having the review at the bottom, blah, blah. Gives that scroll through the reviews. I will send our best one if that helps. So our process, how we scaled their brand. Sorry for my English, I'm German, so we known for the worst in English. First week, sign up form. First of all, the footer was missing, so we implemented a footer sign up. Then we did the general email design, ID and templates in the first week, so we couldn't find out, okay, what the client is like or don't like. So I told him, give me some design ideas from other brands where you're liking, and then I will mix it up and we find an email template. We also did a campaign calendar for the full month. For the beginning, I told him we send like 2 per week. That is enough considering the list size. I mean, if you're 50k people, you can 3 to 4 per week. But the list size we are sending was just like 2-3k people, and I wouldn't recommend to send more than 2 emails per week. Even sometimes just maybe 1 per week makes sense. you need to see the open rates, the click rate, and everything, how the performance is. Usually very individual. Yes. So also copy and design for the campaigns we did, and the segmentation was a thing, because what also a lot of brands are doing, they're sending to a full list or just to last 20, 30 days openers. So yeah, we make the right segmentation. In the second week, we did more A/B testing for sign-up form. We tested the timing, exit intent, scroll, copy, design, offer. Offer is obvious, the biggest thing and impact you can have. Offer could be 5%, 15%, could be mystery discount, could be freebie like a PDF, free ebook, free shipping, free premium shipping, or fast shipping. Stuff like this is what you can test. And yeah, we did in a second week also cart and checkout abandonment flow, because they made the most money. I didn't touch the welcome flow, obvious, in the beginning, because it was kind of making some good money. So that is the reason we didn't even touch it. And the funny thing is, I think we didn't even touch it until now. Welcome flow is the biggest income. We didn't even touch it. Yeah, here we touch it next week, sorry. So site browser abandonment flow, they were completely missing, so it was easy money, even though they don't make too much money. And we're getting slowly data and seeing what is working and what is not. So third week, we fully focus on the welcome flow, 5 emails, founder story, offer, testimonials, brand USPs and stuff like this. Every email have an own topic we focus on. We did more A/B testing also in the flows for the open rates, different subject lines, preview text. For click rate, you have different copy. Maybe like there's different copywriting formats you can use. If you want to learn it all by yourself, it's a very good book you can buy. Already the first pages are a game changer for most people, also for me. And yeah, different copies like shop now or use discount or shop this style. There's a lot of things you can try, and maybe you think, okay, that couldn't be a big difference, but just try it and you will see. Sometimes the difference is huge. We also did more A/B testing for the sign-up form. And already in week number 3, we doubled the revenue. The last week was crazy. We also implemented the win-back flow, new campaign calendar for next month, copy and design also for these campaigns, extra sale campaign, and first April Fool campaign we sent out. We got an open rate over 80% and click rate over 8%. So yeah, so the biggest unlock we had in the beginning, first of all, was deliverability. That is very important because it's easy to fix, or even though a lot of people tell you different, it's easy to fix, and without changing anything, the more emails they land in the inbox, not in promotion or spam tab, you're making more money. Okay, we had 20% better open, so 20% more money without doing anything. I didn't touch any emails, nothing. I just improved I made the right segmentation. I excluded the right people, like bounces, bought the last 7 days, stuff like this. And you definitely should better use subject lines, and not subject lines like, this is our story, this is our new campaign. I don't know, sometimes I see very weird subject lines. It's like more, this is you need to go more on the customer. It's also very specific, individual for the brand. So yeah, so we can here see screenshots. That's just 28 days. We improved from 66 to 86. And the second unlock, we optimize and fully building only on the flows. This month we will only focus on, or more on, campaigns. And as you can see, we did the welcome flow, site abandonment flow, browser abandonment, cart, checkout, post, purchase, win-back, and sunset flow. And yeah, I think we can clearly see when Inbox Mafia entered their management. So yeah, these results could be also used if you work with Inbox Mafia. I mean, you already had the mega killer intro. What we usually do is full service email marketing. So full service email marketing service. Our full email marketing service. Damn. Good that I do the copy. I have a team for that. So yeah, we do usually the full email marketing service. For some brands, if they're smaller, what I prefer to offer is just a setup, because I would be too expensive that they pay me a monthly retainer, and it's not really performing well if you only have 1,000 people. So it sometimes depends. It's all about what, if they wanted to scale, where is the journey is going, what is the goal from a brand, and we can talk about this one. So yeah, that's actually a new slogan. I came up with that one because like Inbox Mafia, got farther, so we make you and your audience an offer that you can't refuse. So yeah, that's just one of the endless story. That's the reason we have a 99% client retention rate. I would even say 100% because just one client left until today and he closed his store. So not sure if that is countable or not. So now it's on you to find out yourself why is that the case. We just reopened last month calendar for limited spot. Yeah, that's just urgency. We are always open. We take, if we are a good fit, we take you and that's it. There is not like we need to see, apply, whatever. Just book an audio call and free audit call and I can tell you what is needed for your brand, what is not needed for your brand, okay? So click the link, book a call. Bye.